This orange cake is special for two reasons. The first reason, it uses a special orange that we will discuss later. And the second reason, the recipe calls for using the whole orange. We will start by cutting our orange. What you need to do is cut them into small pieces because you will add them to our food processor and we will blend it with the dry ingredients. Here I'm using about 2 medium-sized oranges. Add them to the food processor. Coming up, an example on why you should avoid overfilling your food processor. To the oranges, we're gonna add 1 cup of granulated sugar, which is about 250 grams. Half a cup of neutral oil, like canola or sunflower oil, about 100 mils. Three eggs. Don't forget to clean off any sticky ingredients on the gears. You don't want it to be dirty. It could affect your machine. Blend all that up. And here's why you should avoid overfilling your food processor, or make sure it's closed tightly. I'll leave the decision to you. Once all those ingredients are blended, we're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, which is about 300 grams, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and I forgot to add it at the beginning, a dash of vanilla. Add in your orange mixture to the flour. Mix all those ingredients together. Until you have something that resembles this. Now it's a good time to discuss the orange. As we previously discussed, this orange is not like any other orange. It's Valencia oranges. These are used for orange juice. You should try and get one of those oranges, not the one for eating, like Jaffa oranges. These will not work in this recipe. Now it's time to choose your cake mold, and I chose this one. For this recipe, you can use any cake mold you have, even one of those square toast mold you can use. Spray it with a non-stick spray. Then pour in your mixture. Clean off any mess you might have made. Into the oven it goes for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 180 degrees Celsius. After 45 minutes, this is what you should have. All you have to do now is place a plate on top of the mold, flip out the cake, and if you applied your grease, it should fall easily for the reveal. And this is your orange cake. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them below. And if you like this video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel and sharing the video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.